IDS, IPS, Firewall, and Honeypot concepts. This topic introduces 4 key defense mechanisms: detect intrusions, block attacks, and lure adversaries. Think of them like home security. IDS is your camera, IPS your electric fence, the firewall your gate, and the honeypot a fake door. These technologies form layered defenses in modern networks. IDS detects anomalies, IPS reacts instantly, firewalls regulate traffic, and honeypots bait attackers. While each serves a different role, together they reduce attack success rates. Understanding their functions is essential for both offense and defense. Attackers must evade detection and bypass controls. Defenders must tune these tools for visibility and control. Each device provides logs, alerts, or behavior that reveals attempted compromise or misuse. Attackers study these layers to avoid tripping alarms. Defenders leverage them to delay, detect, or trap adversaries. This foundational IDS, IPS, Firewall, and Honeypot solutions. This topic focuses on real-world implementations that enhance network defense and threat visibility. Imagine building a fortress, selecting alarm systems, autolocks, surveillance, and decoys to defend the structure. In cybersecurity, there are open-source, commercial, and hardware solutions for every defense layer. S.M.A.R.T and Suricata are common IDS. pfSense and Iptable serve as firewalls. Honeypots like counter-trap attackers. Proper deployment ensures high detection with low false positives, keeping operations smooth while blocking threats. These tools generate logs and alerts, shaping real-time response and forensic investigation. Choosing the right mix is about environment needs and security posture. Attackers recognize poorly configured tools and use them to their advantage. Defenders who deploy wisely reduce risk while increasing visibility. Ultimately, practical defense isn't just theory. It's about integrating the Evading IDS. This topic covers how attackers avoid detection by intrusion detection systems during scanning or exploitation. It's like sneaking past a motion sensor using slow movement and distractions, not brute force. IDS detects suspicious packets and activity, but attackers use obfuscation, fragmentation, or decoys to confuse detection. We'll demonstrate this by performing a stealth scan while using decoy IPs and adding random payload lengths. Nmap allows stealthy scans by manipulating TCP flags and injecting decoys, reducing traceability. The results show a successful scan of open ports without alerting the IDS under default settings. This confirms the IDS didn't log or react to our stealth activity. Understanding how to evade detection helps red teams simulate real threats. For blue teams, it's essential to tune IDS to catch these tactics. Security isn't about catching everything. It's about catching the right things at the right time. Evading firewalls. This topic focuses on techniques used to bypass firewall rules and access restricted systems or ports. It's like sneaking contraband past airport security by disguising it or breaking it into harmless parts. Firewalls monitor and block suspicious traffic, but attackers use fragmentation, tunneling, or spoofing to bypass rules. In our hands-on step, we'll attempt a fragmented TCP/SYN scan to slip through standard filtering. Using ping 3, we send partial packets that don't match normal signatures, confusing packet inspection. The output shows a SYNACK response, confirming the port is open and the firewall didn't block it. This shows that even perimeter defenses can be bypassed with crafted traffic. For defenders, deep packet inspection and reassembly are critical. Firewall evasion is a reality, but understanding how it works allows teams to build smarter, layered defenses. Evading NAC and endpoint security. This topic focuses on how attackers avoid detection or restriction by endpoint agents and access control systems. Think of NAC like a security guard at the building entrance checking IDs. Attackers sneak in with fakes. NAC enforces device compliance before granting network access, while endpoint security blocks malware and unauthorized tools. Attackers spoof MAC addresses, use rogue DHCP servers, or deploy agentless devices to slip through. Endpoint bypass often involves disabling AV, injecting into trusted processes, or using fileless malware. These tactics allow full compromise without triggering alarms. They exploit trust gaps and default configurations in many enterprise setups. Security teams must combine behavioral monitoring, strong authentication, and real-time response. Evading host-based controls is a common attacker goal. Understanding the weak points helps prevent breach escalation. IDS and firewall evading tools. This topic introduces tools that help attackers bypass detection systems like IDS and firewalls. It's like using disguises and gadgets to pass undetected through a guarded checkpoint. Many tools automate evasion tactics like packet fragmentation, decoys, and payload encoding. Examples include MAP with decoys, Ping3 for crafting packets, and SCAPI for full customization. Others like NCAT and proxy chains help tunnel traffic through allowed protocols. These tools modify behavior, payloads, or transport methods to avoid triggering alarms. They're vital for red team exercises and penetration testing. Security professionals must know these tools to understand what gaps exist. By knowing what bypasses systems, defenders can tune detection, adjust rules, and improve logging. Tool knowledge equals better detection and stronger configurations. Detecting honeypots. This topic focuses on spotting fake systems set up to lure or study attackers. It's like checking if a wallet on the sidewalk is bait for a hidden camera. Honeypots collect attacker behavior, but can tip off observant intruders if poorly configured. Let's perform service detection and run a script to identify honeypot fingerprints. Using MAP with scripting enabled, we check for fake banners and unusual behavior patterns. The output indicates a match with Honeyed, a known honeypot emulation. This means the system is likely not real and should be avoided. For attackers, detecting honeypots prevents exposure. For defenders, it's a reminder to hide honeypots well and avoid obvious signatures. IDS and firewall evasion countermeasures. This topic discusses how to defend against attempts to bypass network security controls. It's like updating a castle's defense once you know where the attackers sneak in. Evasion methods exploit inspection blind spots, so countermeasures focus on deep packet analysis, anomaly detection, and updated signatures. Admins should enable packet reassembly, tighten rule sets, and block unused protocols. Segmenting networks and inspecting outbound traffic also adds layers of visibility. The goal is to catch subtle, evasive behaviors that traditional rules may miss. Effective defenses adapt to modern attack strategies. Understanding how evasion works is key to preventing it. Security is not just deployment, it's continuous tuning and awareness. Defensive tuning stops stealth at the door.